Humans, by the way, speaking of demographics, this is kind of a nice little transition over here. We were looking at that. What did you call it? It was a pizza slice? What would you call the upside down triangle?
Christmas tree.
No. The other way when it goes the other way. A tornado, yeah. So one of the ways in which the tornado continues to get bigger is people keep living longer. Mm-hmm. So you see how that goes. The top part gets bigger.
Yeah.
Anyway, here's one way in which people can live longer. Maybe you can stick around a few more years, Will. I don't know if you got it in you, but hopefully we can see at least a couple more. And this might help you. Humans have found a way to reverse aging. They got a little study going on here. And you know what they're going to use? It's not anything super high-tech or new. It's just people had speculated maybe this would work. They put people in a hyperbaric chamber. They give them the oxygen therapy. And this is, you sit inside that thing. Sometimes they use it for those divers. They decompress. Or, fighters, I think, use it sometimes to recover. But anyway, they're just feeding you a bunch of oxygen, and you're laying down in there. And they made a couple of people do this. It was Israeli scientists. And they were able to show a reversal of aging in 2 key biological clocks in humans with this oxygen therapy in a pressurized chamber. There's these things called telomeres. If you've ever listened to Rhonda Patrick on Rogan's podcast, she's always about the telomeres.
Yeah.
You got to see the length of these things. It's a big time aging marker. Anyway, they were able to reverse the signs of aging essentially on these 35 healthy adults. They were aged 64 or older, and they received 60 oxygen therapy sessions over 3 months, and they actually showed a marked improvement on those markers. So I don't know about you, but I'm about to hit one of these up at the new studio. I need to get the hyperbaric
let's
chamber
get that
in
set
there.
up.
I got to start aging backwards, ideally. Now, look, this is complicated stuff because it's not a one-sided thing. There could be some downside that they figure out after as well.
Yeah.
And if you try too aggressively to slow down aging, you may have some other side effect.
Yeah.
So
like a horror movie.
You need some more studying here, but I'd say that's a pretty cool finding nonetheless.
Would you try it?
Absolutely. Get some oxygen in a pressurized chamber. Why not?
Would you be the first patient?
Give it to me. No, they just did 35 healthy adults. It's good enough for me. I'm getting in there.
Okay.
Yeah, I need to pick one of these up. No, they've used these things for a while, just never with this particular aim. But yeah, I don't know.
So this reverses aging. It doesn't stop it. It actually makes you grow younger.
Well, when they're looking at these telomeres, as you grow older, your cells continue to divide, and these telomeres gradually become shorter. Once they become too short, the cell can no longer replicate and eventually dies. Now, in this clinical trial, they were able to, was it shorten the telomeres or actually
lengthen it?
Lengthen. Right? What do they say here? It's a good question. Telomere shortening in clinical trial, scientists collected the subject's blood samples, and they had no other changes, by the way. That's important to note as far as lifestyle is concerned. Their blood work showed significant increases in telomere length. So yeah, reverse.
Wow.
Increases in length, not just a stopping of a shortening, because I guess having a 60-day trial wouldn't be enough anyways. They would have to look for a marked change going the other way. So a lengthening in now you're excited.
It would be interesting if this was installed in like homes.
Yeah, everyone has their own hyperbaric chamber that they go in on a daily.
Live in it, like normal.
And we never die.
Yeah.
Sounds scary. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.